no other woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me?
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is T. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today we are finna be doing this hairstyle right here. You see me? You see what I'm working with? Yeah, we finna do this. I encourage everyone to do their own hair. Why would you pay somebody $180 to do passion twists? Like, I don't understand. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and this little method that I'm going to show you guys. I did do the rubber band method, but I didn't do crochet this time. So yeah, you guys just have to stay tuned to see what I did. So let's get started. I'm so excited. We back in this thing like okay. Oh my gosh, I need a new chair. ASAP. You know I'm back in this thing. We ain't in my bathroom today. Thank the Lord. So first things first, I'm the realest. Let's get that out the way. I already did the back of my hair because y'all already know, like. So first thing I am doing, and I got this little trick from a YouTuber on here, and she said that putting oil with your rubber bands will help your hair not break off or something like that. Like, it will make the rubber band softer. So I'm gonna try that because I do like the rubber band method. I have black rubber bands here, and I'm just gonna, I already have some in there, but I just want to show you guys what I do. So, you know, you just put a little bit in there like that, and then I hope this focuses on that. Put it on top of it like a so, you know, and just mix it up. Lotta, le opa, le tu je vois. Alright, so the next thing that is super important, is the type of edge control you use. Girlfriend, you do not want to use anything that is going to be reverting your hair back to like its original curl pattern. So something that is in the mix between a harder edge control or gel and something that isn't too loose. For instance, the one that is too hard in my preference is this one by Main Choice. It's nice to, you know, slick your edges down, but it doesn't really like slick onto your hair nice. It's kind of hard and it kind of tugs at your hair. So I personally don't really like using this one. My personal preference for an edge control is this 24-hour edge tamer by EBIN, and this one is in extreme firm hold. All right, I think, oh, and then I do use a rat tail comb, and you know, you have to have some clips on hand. I got these type of clips too, like these, and you know, we have to bring y'all in a little bit closer. I'm talking about we, like it's a team over here. It's just me, but I had to bring you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see how I'm parting my hair. And I've watched a couple of passion twist video. You guys, I definitely recommend you to watch some passion twist video while you're doing your hair because it will really help your passion twist come out way better. So if you want to put this on repeat, you know what I'm saying, you can put me on repeat, or if you want to put, you know, another video on, go ahead, I guess. But all right, so I'm gonna do one here. I'm not gonna take that much, like starting out, because you don't want to oversaturate the hair and make it hard, because this edge control does make it kind of firm. Like when it says it's firm, it's firm. So I'm gonna put it here first, like so. Bring it into it. seen numerous hair pages do this to create a nice crisp part. So you put the edge control on like that first, or edge gel, whichever one you like to use, and then you go back over it. So now I take some more of the gel, of the edge control, edge tamer, girl, whatever you want to call it. The heck, y'all know what it is. And I'm just smoothing down this section. So this is going to be one section for one of the twists. I'm not a professional. I just like to save money. And I feel like for passion twists, you really shouldn't even pay anybody to do them. And I'm going to tell you why. Girl, passion twists do not last that long. That's the only reason. So if you're going to pay somebody $100, $200 to do your passion twist, do it yourself. You can save like at least $80 doing them yourself. So that's why I personally just like doing my own hair, because I like saving money. I want to use it for something else. And then I did take, you know, my little edges out because I love doing baby hairs. And then now I'm going to take one of the nicely oiled rubber bands and rubber band this section.
That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my
I'm getting into 13 Reasons Why again. I'm into it. Bleh. It's getting real interesting. So if you're not watching it, you should go watch it. All right, so this is the hair that I'm going to use. This one is the Water Wave Crochet Braids by Motown Tress. And this is in 24 inches. The color of this one is 530. Oh my God. If you have colored hair, blonde hair, whatever, you know when you get some hair and it's like almost the exact color of your color, it just does something right up in here. Makes me so happy. So, okay. Wow. It's almost like the exact same color as my hair. All right, so of course I don't want my hair to be 24 inches. So I'm just going to rubber band the end so when I cut it, it just, you know, it doesn't fall all over the place. So rubber band the end, and then I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, so now to do these twists, I like to use this twist and shout cream from, I think the brand is called Curls, and I apply that on my hair first. Like I get a good, I don't know why I just stuttered. I get a good bit of that on my hair to coat every strand because I definitely want my hair to be moisturized in this protective style. And then I will take some of my edge control and just lick that on there as well. So now, you know, just fluff up the hair a little bit, zhuzh it up. And I did use 2 strands. So now I started off the twist with a braid. So if you don't know how to box braid, like, you know, do the rubber band method and do the box braids, then this probably will be kind of hard for you. But you're pretty much going to grab the rubber band to kind of anchor your hair, your fake hair onto, and wrap it around and start braiding. I personally like to braid under. That's just how I braid. So I braided a couple ways down, like probably like two 2 times down, and then I'll start twisting it.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
I'm gonna take some of the mousse, and I love this mousse. This one is from Lotta Body, and I'm gonna just put it all over my parts, you know, get it nice and Gucci. So I'm gonna use some of this Duro oil, you know, just to oil my scalp up. Alright, and then the final step I'm going to do is just spray some holding spray. This is Super Hold from Kenra. I'm going to also link like what videos I've watched, because, you know, it really helps when you watch videos. It gets so hot in my studio room. That's why I keep my fan on. I hope the audio isn't messed up because of that. Ugh. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Glossier. This is from Pink. This is like a, this pretty much is just gonna add some shine to my hair. Alright, I'm going to put a bonnet on and I am going to go to bed. Okay, like I'm so tired now. I really like how the twist came out, like especially at the beginning. Like you can tell that it's braided, but not really. So I'm really feeling that, and I'm really just feeling how juicy these are. So I only use 1 pack of the 3 bundles, and I got some little accessories too, but I feel like I'll add this when my hair starts getting frizzy and stuff. I don't want to add it now because the last time I did that, it made the hairstyle not last as long, and it's just not look good. So we ain't gonna do that this time. But if you guys have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section below. Oh, I need to count how many I did, because a lot of people was asking me how many braids I do, how many twists I did. I got a big head, like. But yeah, if you have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you aren't already a part of the gang. I would love to have you a part of my little family on here. Also, like this video if you like these type of videos. Comment down below what you want to see next, as well as if you have any questions for me. I'm gonna get to it. Follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny, and that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ooh, that was not good. That wasn't a good one. Let me try that again. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. That's just what I have to do, honestly. I'm over it.